Turning a photo into a PDF on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra or Plus is easier than you think. Here's how. So first you have to open up the Gallery app on your phone and pick the photo you want to turn into a PDF. Then tap the three-dot menu in the corner and select Print. And at the top of the screen, change the print option to save as PDF. Next, tap the PDF download icon. And from here, choose where you want to save the file and tap Save again. And your photo will now be saved as a PDF. Now to find it later, open the My Files app, and here from recent files, you will see your PDF. You can also open the Documents folder to see all your saved PDFs. Now, if you want to turn multiple photos into one PDF, open the Camera app and point it at any document. Then scan and capture it. After that, tap Add Scan, then select the Gallery icon. Now choose the photos you want to include and tap Done. And now you will see all the pages together. If you don't need the first scanned photo, you can remove it and finally tap Next. Review the pages and choose Save as PDF. And the file will be saved in your Documents folder and you can share it whenever you like. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks.